Do you feel stuck in your manifestations because you keep wondering, but how it's going to happen? Here's the truth. If you're asking how, you're sabotaging the process. So today we're diving deep into the manifestation killer number 3, which is controlling the how. So hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel where we uncover the hidden truth of or about manifestations and how to master the art of creating your desired reality. If you've been stuck, frustrated, or spinning in circles trying to figure out how your desires will manifest, this video will change the game for you. Now let's start with a fundamental principle. Like, manifestation is not about external proof, it's an internal game. Manifestation is the process of shifting internally your beliefs, your emotion, your thoughts, and aligning with your desires so fully that the external world has no choice but to reflect it back to you. But here's the kicker. When you are constantly asking how, you are missing the essence of manifestation. You are not living in the end. You are not in alignment with the reality where your desire is already fulfilled. And most importantly, you are making your emotional state dependent on something outside of you, on proof, on evidence, on something that haven't materialized yet. Now, here's the thing. When you are fixated on how, you are stuck in the illusion that the external world is the source of your manifestation. You think if you just figured out the right, action, the right plan, the right steps, the right technique, everything will fall into place. But this couldn't be further from the truth. The real definition of manifestation is an internal shift. It's about aligning so deeply with the energy of your desire that you no longer need external confirmation. You don't need to see it to believe it. You believe it and then you see it. When you are trying to control the how, you are essentially saying, I don't trust the process. I don't trust the universe. I don't trust my own power. And that resistance blocks the flow of your manifestation. Now, let's talk about living in the end. Living in the end means you have already claimed your desire internally. You've stepped into the version of you who already has it. You've made peace with happening, and here's the kicker, you're also at peace if it doesn't happen. This is where most people get tripped up. They think living in the end means obsessing over their desire, visualizing it 24/7, or trying to manipulate reality to make it happen. But true alignment is about letting go. It's about no longer being emotionally dependent on the outcome. You're good with it, you're good without it. Now, let me tell you something powerful. Detachment isn't about giving up. Detachment is about trusting. It's about knowing that your desire is already done in the energetic realm and you don't need to micromanage the process. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You water it, you nurture it, and trust that it will sprout. Manifestation works the same way. Your job isn't to control how the seed grows. Your job is to align, to nurture, and to trust. Now, if you are stuck in the how, here's your way out. Shift your story. Stop telling the story, I don't know when, how. Start telling the story of it's already done. The how doesn't matter. Align your emotions. Feel the peace, the joy, the excitement of your desires already being here. Detach, release the need for proof. Trust that your reality is rearranging itself even if you cannot see it, especially when you cannot see it. Actually, that's the most exciting part of all. That even if my eyes cannot see it, it's happening. So I'm going to, if this actually resonates with you, what I'm talking about here, and you're ready to align deeply with your desires, check out the description box below. I have 2 memberships where I bring you a lot more workshops and masterclasses. You can connect with me every week. I do live Q&As where I can answer your question. And remember, your desires are already done. Stop chasing the how and let them come to you effortlessly. So thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video coming up soon. Also, you can check out the rampages that I've done. It's just so exciting. It helps you to keep up this inner monologue, like synced up with actually your desired reality, so you don't keep like flipping in between your old self and the new self. So yeah, see you soon.